It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made of all I learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have it in mind by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its mooring by a wind off the sea, like a sea dropped by a skybird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness, things I've done you blame me for. But then I guess we know there's plenty to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. Like a coffin full of soil, I've been passive and swallowing yours, like a tree that needs holes, halfway through the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? To believe I have been changed for the better. Because I knew you. Because I knew you. Because I knew you. I have been changed for